Welcome to our programming channel. Today in C programming we are going to see program to find ASCII value of a character. Main function. Here we have declared character variable ch. With printf function we ask the user to enter a character. So printf enter a character. For reading user input, we are using scanf function and the input is a character. So we are using %c format specifier. We are going to store the character in variable ch. So here and %ch. Printf ASCII value of %c is equal to %d. Because of this %c, the character will be printed, and because of this %d, ASCII value of the character will be printed. We have taken %c and %d, so here comma ch comma ch. So two times ch, one ch for this %c and second ch for this %d. Build the program. Run the program. Enter a character small a. ASCII value of small a is equal to 97. Capital A, ASCII value of capital A is equal to 65. Small b, ASCII value of small b is equal to 98. Capital B, ASCII value of capital B is equal to 66. Enter a character. Suppose we enter here number 5. ASCII value of 5 is equal to 53. And suppose we enter 10 here, then ASCII value of 1 is equal to 49. Suppose we enter here one space and enter ASCII value of space is equal to 32. That's all for program to find ASCII value of a character. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.